Hi everyone, this is Jan from Jan and Bruce Adams Van Adventures, and today is my birthday. Don't ask how old I am, but I'll give you a hint. It's under 100. What I like to do on my birthday video, make new friends video. Just come in, make a comment, hopefully a nice one, and anybody else that comes in needs to subscribe to your channel, and you need to subscribe to theirs. That's just how easy it is. I'm not going to talk through the whole video, and the video is going to be pictures of my yard, but specifically pictures of what I consider my birthday flower. Primarily because on my birthday, they are all up and in their glory. So come along, enjoy the ride, and let's all make new friends and subscribers. And you can see all the beautiful surprise lilies. Aren't they gorgeous? We had a cloudy day today. We're supposed to have rain tomorrow. And these flowers are very, very fragile. So if the sun's out tomorrow and it doesn't rain, I'll come out and take some more video. But if it does rain, we'll have to settle with what I did today. But aren't they beautiful? And they always bloom around my birthday. It's cone flowers. And this is the mess on our table because we've been gluing things. We bought the pig when we went into Mexico, and he made it all the way back home before we dropped it. So that's one of the things that got glued. That's a solar fountain. Not that it does anything in the water, but the light at the base lights, well, it glows at night. I wouldn't call it light up, but it glows.